Okay, let's operate the roof. Please close boot partition ski bag. Oh no, what is this? The 809. So over here, there is a partition for the soft top. If you don't close this partition, you will not be able to open your soft top. In order for this partition to stay here and push on that micro switch on the left hand side, you will need two gas struts, one on the left hand side and one on the right hand side. Those gas struts are not working apparently, so this goes back by itself, and that's the first issue. Hello and welcome to Benz Addiction. Today we are going to tackle a problem with a CLK, but this time the convertible. So if you have a convertible CLK or almost any convertible Mercedes from 2002 to 2010-ish, you will have this kind of weak point. Doesn't hold this micro switch over here, so you can open and close your top. And that does come with an error on your dash. I have seen in so many occasions that this partition doesn't work, and that stops the convertible top from operation. And I have seen in many occasions that people bypass that micro switch, which is not a very good thing to do. So let's tackle this issue today in this video. Today I have bought two struts that holds the this partition in place and pushes back this partition. And we are also going to tackle the issue of losing or breaking these plastic pins over here. So this is the plastic insert that I was talking about. It's a plastic insert with a hole, and on this side you will see that there is a little clip here. I am kind of sure that there should be another insert go into this hole, so when you put this one in there, this clips comes up and holds the hole in place. So but I have lost one of these, and this one is not working because it's not complete, so I'm replacing these with classic bolts and nuts. To operate and for your ski bag or partition to be able to push your micro switch back, you need enough energy from your struts. First of all, we need to pull out this clip over here, and as you can see, the partition dropped. So if you pull out this, see, there is no pressure inside my struts anymore. So if you pull out this clip, metal steel clip from here, you will get your partition out. And I do the same for the other side, and I'll see you in a second. But how do you remove these hinges from top of the boot? Well, there is the plastic insert that goes from this side in, and there is a that you need to pull out that plastic away. And I'm also going to include the size of those struts so you can be able to easily find them on eBay. Okay, how to remove these struts now from inside the trims? Well, there are two ways: removing the trims and not removing them. Well, I'm going to first try the easy method of removal. Using a long screwdriver, I'm going to try to pull the clip away and pull the struts out. Okay, success. It is possible to pull out the clips without removing the trim. So it's out. Okay, the struts are out, and as you can see, these are the Mercedes struts, and these are the ones I bought from eBay. So $30 Australian from eBay's, and they're almost the same match. But what is the difference now? The difference is now you can easily push these ones in with one hand, and it doesn't really hold any pressure. Let's try this one. maybe the other way. See, it doesn't even it does not do anything, so it's gone, totally gone. But what about these? These are the new ones. I'm hardly able to push these with one hand, and straight away they come back. So I can include these the links for these struts, and I'm going to measure these for you so you can buy them easily. This is the Mercedes original strut, and center to center you will see that it's almost 11 inch or 28.5 centimeter. I would say 11.25. And the ones I have bought is almost the same. As you can see, it's almost the same, maybe a few mils shorter, but that wouldn't be an issue. So if you need struts, you don't have to spend $120 or $200 for a pair. You can buy it from eBay. Of course, the quality might be different. Okay, now there are two things to do. First, we need to put back the struts. And second, we need to solve the issue with the hinges. Hey, sorry for the crow noise, but to put back these struts, you don't need to pull these clips away. You can just straight away put it in on the stud. As you can see, I did on this side, and I'm going to do the other side. I think Australian crows are very famous of making these funny noise, singing, having fun on a Thursday morning, or maybe laughing at me. I don't know. Okay, it easily went in. Okay, so now we have two more things to do. Okay, what I suggest here, I would like to do the hard thing first. So I am going to hang this from the hinge using this M5 screw that's about 30 mil long, and I'm going to use a nut in this hole. Okay, instead of those plastic inserts, you might have lost them or they might have been broken, and the same thing happened to me. They broke and I lost them. So I'm going to use these nuts and bolts. So you can put a M5 nut over here, and this is a 30 mil long bolt with some duct tape around it. So that duct tape would help to reduce the noise and to prevent the bolt to wobble inside this hole. So let's go and do this. Okay, one thing for sure, you just want first the hinges in, and then the struts. So now with the method I mentioned, I have done the first part of the project. Now I'm going to put back those two struts in the studs, and let's see how the result will be. Okay, let's see how it functions now. Both struts are in, and wow, for the first time it's working. Look, the struts should take the ski bag or the partition up, and it almost gets stuck to the ceiling of the boot. And when you wanna do this, it easily pushes with so much force back to the micro switch. So you wouldn't have that error on your dash anymore. Please close your ski bag or partition. So guys, another project done. Thank you so much for watching and liking, supporting and subscribing. Have a good day. And don't forget to enjoy your Mercedes with convertible top.